Hi guys, it is the August. Can you believe August 2021, not just for boys, Kit Club Kits Reveal Day. So obviously, it's all over Facebook and you can see it on the blog and you can see it in the store, but I do like to do unboxings. So the first kit is the main kit and it's called Spectrum. I have the full kit. I have the I know I should get the add-on paper pack. Let me move this. And I have the cardstock add-on pack, which is awesome. So these are all the goodies I have to unbox. Well, in the next video, I'll have the deluxe theme kit. And then in the third video, I will have the page kit by Merity, which is always amazeballs, as well as any add-ons that I was able to get, cut files, all that kind of stuff. I choose to open the add-on paper pack together so you can see front and back at the same time, and you can see the cardstock add-on, how it would go with the main kit. I don't know, it just makes sense to me. So if you can bear with me, I will do a little bit of crinklies so I can get my extra paper pack out. And I try to look at this stuff with you because I find it to be so fun. I already see Vicki Boutin's color study, which is bright and vibrant and happy. And then I also see Vicki Boutin's Puffy Alphas here. So let's take a look-see at this goodness and see what we come up with. All right, let me move all the goodies to the side. All right, we are going to start this whole party with this Simple Stories Simple Vintage Lemon Twist line, and this one's called Sunshine and Lemonade. And I can move those papers over there too. So we've got this really nice turquoisey aqua. We have clearly lemon yellow, little scuffy bits. Got a lemon bird butterfly. More butterflies. I always like to see what elements are in there to see which way I might want to design with them, because I tend to start designing the moment I see it. Okay, the back side to this, how does it go? It goes like this. So it looks like, obviously the same tones, but it looks like crinkled up distressed paper, which is kind of cool. All right, we have that to start. The next piece I have, this is by Bo Bunny. It's a double dot designs. And, it's called Kiwi Vintage. So Kiwi, I would assume it's referring to the color. There's these kind of dots on the one side. And then it reminds me of wallpaper. It's viney, not exactly flourishy, but, a repeating viney pattern, except for it's lighter in the middle, deeper on the edges. And yeah, it goes really nicely with the vintage stuff from Simple Stories. Now here's my favorite paper in the whole party. Guys, this is by, I'll show you the back side, or the front side first. It's by Reminisce, and it's from Quote Book, and it's Hello Summer. So this is gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but the back side, it has my heart, you'll see. Now I do like some things, like this is a great die cut right here. Another great die cut. I mean, I could see those really, really well. And then you have all of these bits that are perfect actually to make cards. That would be fun. But here is the big reveal. Ta-da! Guys, look at it. Just take some time. Take some time and look at this. It is wood grain, which I do love. It's smaller planks and they're like watercolor whitewash, if that makes sense. It's just, yes. I love this. So I'll be spending some time with this for sure. The next one I have, let's see. It is from Echo Park Paper Company, Dots and Stripes. So it is a black background with white dots, and it's a nice repeating pattern. So if you want to cut a swatch, it'll be even, Steven, easy to use. Let's see the back side. All right, so the back side, it's that same black background, but it has gray. So if you're looking for something a little bit more low-key, less contrast, that's cool. All right, so this piece is Vicki Boutin Color Study, and it is called Palette. So it's going from darker to light, or light to dark, depending on your vibe. And it's this really great teal turquoise kind of deal. And the back side? Oh, this is fun. So much deeper orange in the middle, going a lot lighter, a little bit of yellowy bits. So it's great because like either side is like a really good background, or, you know, you can clearly go ahead and matte something a million times and get a really great color contrast. That's fun. All right, Vicki Boutin Color Study. Again, this one's called Inspired. So, oh gosh, there's so much you could do with this. You know, there's like these circle blocks on top of circle blocks on top of blocks, and the colors change depending on what they're laid on top of. That is very fun. Let's see. Trying to see. Oh, okay. Now here is the back side. It is very, very dramatic. It's black, but you can see like these text print, you know, in different areas, and also different bits of color come through. That is, you know, I think I go like this so we can see the color change a little bit better. All right, so next, this one. Oh, this is cool. I don't know if I've even seen this one. This one's called Abstract. So we have squares or triangles depending on how you think of it. Oh, I kind of like them going that way. Oh, this is going to be fun. All right, this is going to be fun to play with and decide what I want to do with it. That is awesome. And then the back side, hold on. Got my 2 piles of paper. The back side, oh, super easy to use background piece of paper. We've got nice graph paper, really bold yellow, and then it looks like tape over here. Oh, I can't wait to start like mentally designing with it. Then final piece of paper, this one's called Mood Board. It's the deepest kind of indigo blue, scuffy bits. It's such a great depth of color. It is, you know, such a great, yeah, it's so nice and deep in color tone. I'm gonna have to bring this forward just a little bit. And then the back side of that is this big dramatic circle bit. Kind of has these little plus signs all over the place that aren't super prominent, but you see them. It's really interesting. So that's awesome. Great. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Let me see, make sure I have proper room to smoochy it up. Now, let me show you very quickly the cardstock add-on for this. I know, crinkle, I'm sorry. It's just got to happen. And I know I could do it ahead of time, but I didn't. So let's see. So our first textured feels so, I love textured cardstock. Feels so good on your hands. It's called Basil Yellow. Great. It is Basil Yellow. Totally makes sense. Awesome. Ooh, the next one is the most gorgeous creamy aqua. It is called Patina. That is stunning. This one is called Great Lakes. That's awesome because I live in the Great Lakes state. And then finally, this one is Carrot Cake. And it is like actually, this is roughly the color of my living room walls. And I have a good sized living room. There's a lot of color, this color in my house. And here, super awesome, deep, like Santa Fe kind of terracotta vibe. Awesome. Now, let's see what's next. I always like to, if I can, to do the Alpha next. So our Alpha is from Pretty Little Studio. It's called Christmas Cheer. And obviously it does not matter that it's from Christmas because it looks absolutely awesome with these bright tones that we have. So that's cool. Next, let's do the cut file, and it reads click on it. We have nice red cardstock in here. I always like to look at the cardstock color because I always end up using it. All right, so let's see. It has all of these triangles. So you can read, click going this way. Here's the cool little insert. So if you felt like painting that, that would look awesome. So, and then other little triangle inserts. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Let me just pop those back in. All right, so cut file. Then there's no particular order. Let's see, here's the stamp. So this one right here, look at how cool it is. It's mimicking this paper to me. So it's the circles on top of the circles on top of the circles. And then we have a large size one. It's like a little bit bigger than a quarter. And this is like, actually like the size of a quarter. So they are, and you could do that same technique over and over with these. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, And of course, you know that the Not Just for Boys Kit Club packaging is like super great and repurposable. Is that a word? I don't know. You can use it again. Okay. These are so cute. These are Pebbles Puffy Dots. And I mean, look at the color match, guys. They are awesome. Cute little dots that you can use in lieu of enamel dots or next to enamel dots or whatevs. Then, oh, this is such a great kit. All right, so we have photo corners, and these are the most fab green. They really pick up this color right here. Oh, I do love that. So absolutely great, very vibrant green photo corners. Love it, and you get a ton. All right, so next we have these Project Life Flare. They're a really great size. They're like a fat nickel, if that makes sense. And the colors are awesome. We've got that bright green, that nice deep yellow that we've seen in our collection, that really strong pink. And what I like when I'm looking at these is that the words that are on the different flare, you can use for anything. You know, you're not going to be, well, I mean, if you're doing a layout about somebody that you don't like, love might not work, but you know what I mean. They're not super specific, so you can pop them everywhere. Love it. Love that. Okay, so let's see. Next, we have the full package of these Vicki Boutin. They're called the Details Puffy stickers. So really nice deep black for the words, which I think is great. They're really nice and bendy. And then this is one of those things I love when designers do that. They also have all of these little puffy bits in here in the colors that work with the collection. And then the arrows that she has here, there, and everywhere, they have this holographic little gold vibe going on. Guys, look at the rainbow. That's so cool. So I haven't had these before. And I get very excited when I get to play with something that I needed to get my hands on. So super cool. Like I said, absolutely love the different little color puffy bits. They add so much to your clusters. Okay, way too excited. I know, you guys have told me I get very excited. And then finally in this kit, these are from Pretty Little Studio, Tales and Dreams collection. There's 24 colorful memories, frames, and tabs. So why don't I get, I'll grab this because, you know, it's my favorite cardstock in this collection. It's my favorite color in the whole world. That's the same color as my Yeti. It's true. And I will show you, okay, let me do this for those of you that don't like to see the detail of the goodies. So I will hold it like that for a second, and then we'll look at them one by one together. They're so cute, and they're little and they're cute. Guys, the packaging is even the bomb and will be used. Okay, so I've got, oh, and they've got like a satin kind of a texture. If you're a texture person, they're not shiny, right? But they're not like matte feeling like cardstock. Okay, little tab. Tab in two-tone blue. Tab in citron. Cran blue tab looks exactly like the Vicki Boutin. Limey green. So these will be going everywhere. Oh, they're so cool. More of a, not exactly a sky blue, more of a cornflower blue. That's kind of cool. And then there's baby tabs. I have little tiny baby tabs, magenta, blue, sky blue, yellow, and then there's large ones. So there's medium, small, and large on the tabs. That's cool. So whatever your tab needs are, they will be met with this pack. So super cool, all tabs. And then Future Shaker Pockets of America are right here. Ooh, look at this print. That's so pretty. It's got this kind of watercolor vibe going on. So this one looks like a bit of a basket weave. Here's more of that lime green that I adore. Two-tone blue. It's got the aqua, but it's going into some more of these deeper, actually more like this, more of these deeper blue tones. And then this gorgeous color with wordy bits looks awesome with, oh, you can't see it. This color right here. I know I just moved the whole thing. So that is the August 2021 Not Just for Boys Kit Club kit called Spectrum. I love it. Stay tuned. Next video will be for the deluxe theme kit. I'll be right back.